Good morning, everybody. It is December 6th, 5:27 Central Time, and this is today's plan of attack, where I traded 0 DTE SPX positions or ES features options positions for a small account to make a consistent income every day. But basically, so this is my plan and what I'm looking for. So this is a day chart. We've been in this wedge going down, right? We have rallied all the way to the top, and now we're starting to form this um, rising wedge pattern. And if we do get a break, then I do think price does want to go lower. So what does that mean for today, though? Well, for today, I am still leaning to the bearish side. So if I'm leaning bearishly, I just got to pick my entries. So right here on my charts that I have, this is how I'm looking at this. So on the 30-minute chart, and this is the ES futures, we did flush down yesterday, obviously rallied up, and we do have some sell signals here on the larger time frames, right? Saying that momentum wants to go lower. And if you're unaware how I like to take these specific trades, I only like to take entry at three different. Well, the concept is the same. I won't say it's always three specific spots, but I like to go from out here to out here, which is the third ATR on the hourly time frame. I either take it from there to here, or I play the extension from down here to back, and same back to here. Um, and then I only take entry based on getting my entry, we'll call them arrows. Now, today, we're currently near VWAP, which is this green line, and we're near the 30-minute 21 EMA, which is a white line. So you see we're just opening pretty much at neutral, right? We're barely moving. So what's my plan? Well, for today, I like the idea of a potential rally to the VWAP in the 30-minute 21 EMA, maybe even for 40.10 because that was resistance overnight. If we hit that level and start to get sell arrows, I would like to play it down to the short side. That's where I would initiate a bearish 0 days to expiration SPX position. And now what if I am wrong? Like say, what if it wants to rise back up and we'll test maybe 40.20 up here, this moving average, which is the daily 5 EMA, and the daily 8 EMA is right at 420 as well, which is noted here. Well, if that is the case, then if it does want to go that way, I would like to see buy arrows here, and I would like to honestly see some consolidation here before the buy signal to go up. But I'm still leaning to the bearish side simply also because of the squeezes, right? Squeeze momentum usually sticks around for a little bit. I want to pull up this chart first just to give you a big picture view here and open this. So their 4-hour and 2-hour squeezes are actually already firing to the short side, and there are 30-minute down to 15-minute squeezes that are gearing up to fire to the short side as we currently speak, and there's a 10-minute squeeze firing short. So basically, long story short, the intermediate time frame for, we'll say, for today is currently, as I am recording this, is firing to the downside. And now we just got to pick our entry. So that's why I kind of like the rally to the downside. But if everything does start to shift, right, start to go bullish and the squeezes start to rotate, then I will consider that bullish play just for the day. So you see right here, this is my 30-minute chart with the squeeze starting to go negative right here near entry. But I do like the idea of about a rally 410 before potentially going short. But I'll keep my options open. Nothing is wrong with playing to the upside as for the day as well. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. That's my anticipation and how I wish to play it. Like I said, just a quick recap. Let me clean this up. Quick recap. Leaning to the bear side simply because I'm not wanting, but more of watching for this rising wedge to break down. But if it does wish to give us one more pop, I will play to the upside for the day. So big picture, rising wedge, flush down below on the 30-minute time frame, starting to consolidate. We do have sell signals, but we start to print buy arrows to go up. I'm going to play the bullish side. So I did kind of say that mixed up. So let me clear that. If we do continue to stay bearish, I would like to rally up to about the VWAP and the 30-minute 21 EMA, potentially even 4010, get some sell signals, take it back down. And if we wish to rally, we'll say retest up here. I think a push up, and then maybe instead of just playing the push up, actually it might be better to wait for a pullback and then play it to the upside to confirm it actually wants to go higher. Because what may actually end up happening is, since 4010 was resistance, may hit here, let it pull back, and then get the arrow, and then that be the time to play it to the upside if we are going to the upside. But like I said, if we're going to the bear side, I like to come up here, consolidate, get arrows, and then go back down. So that's my plan. Kind of a tricky spot for the day. And also, just to keep everyone loop, we have no crazy economic data according to forexfactory.com, where there may be some economic news that we need to be aware of before initiating a position. But that's my plan today. I hope you found this helpful. If not, feel free to ask questions. And we could talk about this some in the options room at 10:30. And all you guys in the small account mastery, we talk about it this morning as we take these trades together. But that's all I have for everyone. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.